Hello everyone, also hi to the ladies. My name is Nthabi. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey sis. I start off by dampening my hair and sectioning it. I'm doing a side part quick weave. Section out enough hair to hide your tracks. I used wax to define my lines. I used one stocking cap, you can use both. I didn't braid my hair down, I applied minimal gel and combed it down into a low knot. Got to be frizz spray to keep it in position. You can use a holding spray of your choice. Once done, I used my hooded dryer to dry it. You can use a hairdryer for this. Try to avoid spraying the Got to be frizz spray and placing the cap along your edges like I did. I cut the excess parts off. If you don't want to use this technique, you can braid your hair down and sew the tracks on. I'm using kinky straight bundles from a deconstructed wig. Mink Yaki bundles are a great affordable alternative. I'll link a video in which I used Mink Yaki bundles. The bonding glue is from a local no-name store. You can use any glue. Apply it on the track, get it tacky on any dryer setting, place it on your head and dry it in position. The process is repetitive. The tracks will not always be straight because you can't see the back unless you have a mirror in front of you. There were quite a few tracks that I had to remove and readjust. I'm placing the tracks in the same manner from the nape until I get to where the side part line starts. You can use your thumb or your fingers to help with equal spacing between the tracks. Track placement on the upper part is what's challenging. I placed one track in a C-like manner from the side part line to the other side. Placing this track in the center helped me figure out how to place all the other tracks. You can draw a line with a marker if you don't want to use the track. I flipped it forward and placed the tracks below it in a C-like manner. Once that gap was closed, I filled the front section. There will be glue on some parts of your hair. If you are against that, use a different technique. I straightened the hair off camera. It did end up being less voluminous. You can add more tracks if you want more body. From here, I straightened my hair and laid my edges, and that's it. Also, I used too much heat on my leave out. My hair did not revert. I am easygoing with my hair. It's not a train smash. I don't mind cutting it or relaxing it. However, this is a heads up for anyone watching who has fine, thin, natural hair. I say this in every tutorial when I use heat. Your hair will not revert to its natural state if you use an excess amount of heat. So just be aware of that. With all that being said, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have any questions. I will see you soon. Bye.